Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Kraken wire details. First, you will need to sign into your Kraken account. Once logged in, look for the funding or deposit section, usually found near the bottom of the home page or in your account menu. This is the central hub for managing all your cash deposits and withdrawals on the platform. It's a straightforward process to begin. Next, you'll select the currency you wish to deposit, for example, US dollars. After choosing your currency, you must select wire transfer from the available deposit methods. Kraken often partners with various banks, so you will then choose the specific banking partner listed for your selected currency, such as Dart Bank or MVB Bank for US dollar transfers. Always pick the correct one. Once you select the banking partner, Kraken will display all the necessary wire details. This includes the bank's name, account number, and routing number for domestic transfers. For international wires, you will also find the SWIFT or BIC code. Crucially, locate your unique Kraken reference code, which begins with AA and is 16 characters long. Remember, there's often a minimum deposit, typically $10 for many currencies. Before initiating your transfer, carefully review all the instructions provided by Kraken. It is vital that the name on your sending bank account exactly matches the name on your Kraken account to avoid delays. Always include your unique Kraken reference code in the memo or reference field of your bank transfer. Wire transfers typically take 1 to 5 business days to process, and while Kraken may not charge a fee, your bank might.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.